Hi everybody, I'm Jorge from Pleexy, and today I'm going to be showing you how to integrate two different Notion databases into your Todoist account. So the idea for this is that, let's say you have like your home Notion with your family for your home tasks, and then you have like your work tasks, right? So normally you would have to be checking both of them constantly in your life to be able to, yeah, to make sure you stay on top of your tasks. So what this allows you is just to have everything in one centralized view. So you don't have to be worrying about missing another task or duplicating them and moving a task from one side to another and stuff like that. Alternatively, alternatively, alternately, let's say you are a freelancer, right? And you have different clients and two of them use Notion. So this is a very, very, very efficient way of you having everything that you have to do in one place, which will in the end be a massive boost for your productivity. So cool. For today's demo, I have this Pleexy demo account. I also have this Todoist account, and I have created two different Notion databases in two different accounts. So let's just go straight to it. The first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect my first Notion database. I have to give Notion permission to read my data. So I have created this um, dummy database, and I'm gonna call this one Notion Home, right? Because I tested this before, then I kind of already have the database loaded and stuff, so this is fast. But yeah. um, Here I'm gonna choose assign tasks to anyone. In Pleexy, we have the option to sync only the tasks that are assigned to you or the tasks that are assigned to everybody in your connection. We're choosing me in this case. Sorry, we're choosing anyone in this case because it's a very simple database. Let me show you. So it's just a demo. But if you have more complex databases with a lot of data, you don't want to bring everything to your Todoist. So that's why we have the default in me. So let's move on. Here we have the task title template for your tasks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and add a home emoji, right? Because we said this was going to be like the house database. All of these options are disabled because this field doesn't exist in Notion. So yeah, that's how it is. And I'm going to create these tasks in the inbox, right? So let's move on. I'm saving my settings. And cool. What's happening here is that the connection is done, and well, while the APIs work and the apps talk to each other, it's going to take a bit of time for our tasks to show. But in the meantime, we can start connecting the other Notion database. So right now, what you're seeing here is a warning message, right? And it's telling us that Pleexy can only filter tasks by Notion projects from the projects and tasks template. What this means is that if you want to use projects, you have to use Notion's template, right? So sorry, let me go to Notion. And what I'm going to do is, this is a different account, demo account that I'm using. And here I'm going to go and add tasks. And I'm going to create this template. It's going to take a bit of time. Normally does. Cool. And I have created this one, which is called projects and tasks, right? So let's go back to Pleexy. And now I'm going to create the connection but I'm gonna change from contact to my other Pleexy account, which is, well, my personal one. And there you go. So this one is gonna be Notion for work. I'm gonna call this one. And yeah, while the databases show up, which is what I was telling you before, look, they just showed up right away. So I'm gonna click this and I'm gonna be stopping the video for a few minutes because this might take a couple minutes each, so around 4-5 minutes. So yeah, I'll be back in a few. Cool. So we're back. I just went to the bathroom pretty quick, and I also got some water for my throat, and I'm back. And now both of the databases have synced, and I can continue. Again, I'm going to choose anyone. If you can see now, now this is gonna be my work database, right? So I'm just gonna leave this emoji. This is something that I like to do just to see like from which database things are coming. You can change this, you can add more stuff or whatever. But yeah. Also, as you can see here, now due date and priority are enabled because the database have those. If you want to learn more about like how to set up a connection, there's other how-tos that you can find. Yeah, right now for the sake of this, I'm not gonna go over them. Yeah, I'm gonna create them all in the inbox for now, and there you go. So if we go to Pleexy's homepage, then you will see that we have our both our connections, work and home. Work is from Jorge at Pleexy.com and home is from contacts at Pleexy.com. So that means databases are coming from different accounts, and they are both connected with my Todoist, right? And as you can see here, 7 tasks have been created. So if I go to my inbox, which is where we said we're gonna add the tasks, you can see all of them, and they have all of what Pleexy connections add and stuff. So there you go. There you have it. That's how simple it is to bring your tasks to your Todoist, and remember that you can keep a two-way sync between them. So if I, let's say I complete this task, it will be completed in Notion. And if I want to change the due date, if I want to change priority, if I'm setting priority, and yeah, if I want to move them between different projects, I can do that as well. It offers a lot of different functionalities. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, if you have any questions or anything, comments, issues, be sure to contact us via the in-app chat right here. We will be happy to assist you in whatever we can. And thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye bye.